Chapter 5 is about gases. Okay. So we're all breathing, right? Everybody breathing? Otherwise you wouldn't be conscious. So, have you ever wondered how exactly does that work? You ever thought about that? There's lots of things, they just, happen and we just don't ever think about it. Then you stop and think about it and you're like, wait a minute, that's kind of crazy. How exactly does that work? Well, there's chemistry involved in breathing. So every day, according to the textbook, you move about 8,500 liters of air, it's about 25 pounds of air, in and out of your lungs as you're breathing. And the reason that breathing is possible is because it creates pressure differences, causing air to flow in and air to go out. So pressure can be defined as the force exerted per unit area by gas molecules as they strike the surfaces around them. So gas molecules are, zinging around, and they're going to collide with the surfaces. So right now, you are being bombarded with nitrogen molecules, oxygen molecules in the air as they hit your skin. We don't notice them because it happens all the time, right? But those tiny forces exert a pressure. So gases have pressure. The pressure of a gas depends on several different factors. The number of gas particles that are in a particular volume. You could think of that as the concentration of the gas. It depends on the volume of the container. It also depends on the average speed of the particles. So when you inhale, your diaphragm goes down and your lungs expand. The increase in the volume of your lungs affects the pressure of the gas within your lungs, and it causes the pressure to decrease. The pressure outside is constant, and so that now the pressure in your lungs is lower than the pressure outside, and so that higher external pressure pushes air into your lungs. I guess there's no more slide about that. So then what happens when you exhale? Your diaphragm comes up, compressing your lungs. The volume of your lungs decreases. That increases the pressure. Now the pressure inside your lungs is greater than the external pressure, and it forces air out. Any questions about that? Of course, breathing is a little more complicated than that, but...